How to fix Snapchat app not working on Samsung phone. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Snapchat app from here. You will see Snapchat app is here. Click on Snapchat and click on storage. After click on storage, if you want to fix Snapchat not working problem, so click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data. After click on clear data, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so reinstall your Snapchat app. After reinstall, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Snapchat not working app on Samsung phone. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.